Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this ocean-themed resin pyramid. First, I mixed up a batch of liquid diamonds casting resin and I poured some into the tip. I let that dry overnight and then I poured the second layer, which consisted of the two turtles. Let that dry overnight and then I added the dolphin and some more resin. I had to pour enough resin in the center so it looked like the sea life was swimming and floating. I let that dry overnight and then I just added some seashells and a tiny little octopus. I forgot to film it, but I took a string light of fairy lights and I crumbled it up and put it in the layer with the seashells so that it lights up. After that dried, I added some sand that I mixed with resin and poured that into the bottom, and I pushed in a sand dollar and let that dry. Now that that bottom layer is dry, you can pop it out of the mold. And look how it looks all lit up at night. Thanks for watching my video, and if you're interested in buying the liquid diamonds resin, you can buy it online at thecraftattack.com.